Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kent County in northwestern Texas, southwestern Dickens County in northwestern Texas, northeastern Garza County in northwestern Texas, southeastern Crosby County in northwestern Texas until 10:45 p.m. At 9:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northwest of Spur, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, West Texas Mesonet. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Spur, Dickens, White River Lake, Calgary, and Claremont. A tornado watch remains in effect at Enter location, Illinois midnight for northwestern Texas. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is a dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage across southwest Dickens County, southeast Crosby County, northeast Garza County, and northwest Kent County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for northwestern Texas.